Alright guys, so this is how the box looks. A BlueDriver Pro Scan Tool. I am no pro, but yeah, we can call it that. Fear no fix, pretty decently cool box. This is Bluetooth driver, and it's a 24/7 support. That's pretty cool. Phone numbers right there and everything. It does support Apple and Android, so that's cool. But yeah, let's see how it looks outside the box. Right now the box is pretty small compared to my hand. And we look at the size of my hand. Let me just zoom out. Look at that. The BlueDriver Pro Scan Tool. Let's see. I'm guessing where's the little check engine light? Alright, so I'm guessing that we open it from here somewhere. Alright, so we got that little, what is this? This is like a little thing or something. I mean, it sticks to magnets or something. I don't know. It looks cool though. I like it. I might keep it. Pamphlet, I guess. Pamphlet. Yeah. Let's get scanning. All right, that's pretty much it. Here's that. Oh, and the thing we've been waiting for. Let me set this to the side. The actual scanner. Oh, it's Bluetooth. You gotta use the manual and figure out the BlueDriver app. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna move on to setting it up on my phone and everything. So yeah, this is how it looks. There's the OBD2 port connector, BlueDriver. It's really small. Look at this. That's the size of it, and this is the size of my hands. I can literally palm it, and you would not know where it is. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go to the car and test it out and do everything. I'll show on the screen how to download the app and everything in case you do buy it. And before I move on with the video, I do want to say that I am not sponsored by BlueDriver at all whatsoever. I bought this with my own money and ordered it. Came in 2 days, honestly. I don't even have Amazon Prime, but it came in 2 days. I will be having the link down below, and it is an affiliate Amazon link, so that does mean that I will get a certain commission from if you do buy from my link, but it will not charge you an extra cost or anything. It'll be the same price. I'll just get a commission from it. So just a quick disclaimer. I will also have it down in the description just in case you don't understand what I mean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to tell you guys, I am not sponsored by the company. If they're trying to reach out to me, I will gladly appreciate and get sponsored by them. Yes, I will say yes. I'm looking at buying BlueDriver gloves because they look pretty amazing. With an eagle talent, if you have any 2G car, geez, the OBD port, I was having such a hard time looking for it. It's, you can't even see. I need a flashlight. Let me grab my sister's phone. Give me a second, guys. My back. That's on Tobey Maguire reference. All right, guys, so it's right, oh my God, upside down. Right there, guys. I don't know if we can focus. There it is. So first, before I put it, I almost forgot. You want to put the car to ignition, as you can see. And just turn on the car. You don't have to turn it on, but I usually like to turn it on all the way. I haven't turned it on in a week, so I'm gonna turn it on right now. All right. Oh, my turning signal's on. Whoops. All right, so I only have an SRS thing. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And the bad thing is that my car doesn't support it since BlueDriver doesn't have the advanced diagnostics as a Ford Expedition. I already tested it on that one and it's perfect. It only came out with 3 codes, one with the battery. So we're gonna test it out with this bad boy right here. So yeah, let me just put it under like I was saying, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, as you guys can see, it is not connected right there. It's blue, it means it's connected. Right now it's red because I haven't connected it to the app. But here, let me just sit down, get nice and cozy, go on my phone, and use just scan tool to see it. Make sure your Bluetooth is connected. Confirm your vehicle. This vehicle does not allow its VIN to be read automatically. We recommend you setting your vehicle in order to use BlueDriver. It's set to keep this vehicle. Edit the vehicle. And then you get your pro tips. So we're gonna put the VIN and I'll get back to you guys. I got the VIN number and everything. So you can see that it comes with this a whole bunch of stuff. I don't even know what some of this stuff does. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like I said before, I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm still learning the ropes. Anyways, though, it reads codes, clears them, and it saves reports, which is pretty good. Freezes the frame, smog check for your emission tests, mode 6. Like I said, I don't know what some of these do. And then it does the mileage status or status, vehicle info, and service. And then it does live tests. I don't know if it'll show right now. Yep. Please select one or more data about by tapping the icon. So we got all these pro tips. Tap the arrow to the right of each data source to configure its settings. So we got all of these right here. We got master intake, bank 1 sensor, bank 1 sensor 2. And it's all of these that are supported for my vehicle, you can see right there, and the ones that are active, which I don't have right now, or all of them, as you can see right here. So much information. I don't know what some of this even does, but I want to give you guys my honest review and first impressions, which is pretty amazing. It does not support advanced diagnostics. To read codes, let's see if it has any. Right now it's scanning, as you can see. This is all on live. Right now we got 50 scanning. All right, so we found 2 codes found. Pro tip, tap the gator button next to each trouble code to generate a repair report. Input your odometer reading to add your mileage to save your save report. All right, so as you can see right here, we have these 2 codes. There are pending trouble codes, P1400, P1105. And we're gonna click on them, see what they do. Here we go. We have another pro tip. Tap the share button on the top right to each view to share or save your data. So we're gonna click continue. We're gonna look at the code and then type a fix. We're gonna look at all that, but we haven't fixed it yet. So we're just gonna go back. So we're gonna have those 2 pending codes, and that's pretty much it. What we do is go back. Let's do a smog check. All right, let's continue. We're gonna scan it right now. Scan and see if our car will pass the emissions test. We got 1 smog readiness check warning. All right, so we got 2 pending trouble codes for smog, an EGR and VVT system, and a catalyst, and then wow, we got a lot. Evaporative system, oxygen sensor heater. So we got to fix all of these. So we're gonna do that, and there's so many things we can do. Freeze frame, let's scan that. Freeze frame data is only available if your check engine light is on. Okay, so right now our check engine light is not on, so we will not have to do this then. Let's do mode 6. You see, everything seems to be good. Quite a few things to fix on this car. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Well, actually, I haven't looked at the codes yet, so we don't know. Vehicle info, we got that. We have potential recalls and other stuff, service bulletins and everything. We look at the service, we got that. Gives you when to change your thing, step-by-step instructions to reset the oil light in your dash. All of this, we got so much stuff we could do. The miles, see, as you can see, it's not, some of the stuff is not supported by this vehicle, as we knew. That's pretty much it. We got all this, the contact us user manual update. We can update our scanner tool from here and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and we also have a flashlight. As you guys can see, let me click on that. Right here, we got our very own flashlight in our phone. Cool if you're using the app. So let me just turn it off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And as I said before, I'm not endorsed or sponsored by the company. If they want to reach out to me, they can gladly do it. As you guys saw, it's I'm really happy with it. 10 out of 10. It lives up to what so many YouTubers that are auto mechanics say BlueDriver scanner tool is. Really happy with it. If BlueDriver somehow manages to watch this video, if you want to sponsor me or something, I'm ready if you guys are ready. Another thing that I found before I end the video, for example, the Expedition. Let's say this one actually shows you more stuff than my Eagle Talon, mainly because my Eagle Talon wasn't really mass produced like the Ford Expedition. As you can see right here, we have the code definition, battery voltage out of range. The code is common on 2003 Ford Expedition, and you can see here 3 frequently replaced things. You can find all the parts and anything you need in the actual app itself. I just noticed that. I'm telling you guys, I'm learning stuff as you guys are learning, so it's a learning process, I guess, or curve with me and you guys. As for example, the Eagle Talon, 2 pending trouble codes. Let's do this one. It's gonna generate it. And you see right here, we don't have as much, so we're gonna have to work on our wits and pretty much find out what that code is for the Eagle Talon, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's thanks for watching, guys, like I said, and I'll talk to you guys later.